Yeah. Man, when we made love, she said, say my name, say my name. She said, girl, say my name.
I love it when you hickeys on my neck and on my chest, even on my shoulder.
Say my name, say my name, say my name. She said, say my name, 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 say my name.
When we made love, she got to putting her face down and the ass up, cause you already know what time it is. I'ma punish that pussy from the back and then I flipped her to the side and punish that pussy from the side and then I laid her on her back and punish that pussy from the front and I ate her pussy like some chocolate chip cookies. She said keep on going in, don't even stop, so you already know that shit felt so damn good to her because I bit her clitoris and then I stuck my tongue up against her pussy walls at the same damn time, look. And then she got up and then laid me on my bed. She said I'ma ride your bike and then she rode my bike like she never rode a pipe and stared me in my eyes and said, baby please
say my name, 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 say my name.
So I said her name over and over. Then I told that girl I'm about to bust a nut in your gut, girl. So I bust a nut in her gut. And then she felt satisfied because she know I satisfied that pussy. So she said, let's go again. So we went again and I spread her legs even wider. Then I punished that pussy, then I bust a nut in the gut again. And then I left an ocean in the bed. And then I looked her dead into her eyes and told her, ooh, I'm telling mommy, look what you did in the bed, baby. We had so much love going on, it drove me crazy. And then it made me lazy at the same damn time. So round 3 came around, we kept on going and going and going and going. I punished that pussy from the back into the front and to the side at the same damn time. Oh yeah, you already know she looked me dead into my eyes and told me that she wanna ride my bike. So she got on top of my bike and rode my bike like she never rode a pipe in her life. And then she looked me dead into my eyes and said, baby, I love you, but please, baby, just please, baby,
say my name. Say my name, 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 say my name. Say my name, 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 say my name.
Well, I didn't exactly hit a pussy from the back, cause I didn't hit it just right, but I hit a pussy from the side and to the front. Who I'm talking about, that's for me and her to know. I refuse to call upon her name, but she know who she is when she hear this song. Yeah, I made this for you. Yeah, I miss you, but that ain't the reason why I want you back though. I told you the reason. Remember that night when we was on the phone together? I had Wi-Fi that night. But she told me to give her time, so I'm being patient. I'm still waiting on the answer.